Hey Jim, so I finally got around to making this video so we can hopefully get a drawing here done. So again, my idea is so you have your teeth, and just like a human, my teeth. You have this is just a mock. It's called a typodont. But in the drawing, we don't have to put the intricacies of the typodont. The main thing we need to show is teeth. Kind of like this, bottom and top teeth showing. So what I'm trying to come up, the idea that I'm trying to portray is, we have a drill that we generally use to drill people's teeth with, and there's a thing that sticks out of here that cuts your teeth. It's called a burr. Normally we use our hand, and we, like this teeth has a big cavity that's been drilled out and stuff like that. So we just use a drill and kind of drill it out of that. What I am trying to come up with is something called a CAD cam system, where right now we have the technology where a camera that kind of looks like this, you kind of take a picture of this tooth, and the camera or the machine will make a filling, a porcelain filling. It'll cut a filling out of a piece of porcelain. All right. So now what I'm trying to recommend or suggest is a way to scan the tooth before it's even cut like this, when it's still in the intact phase. We know there's a cavity, and where the drill will have a built-in camera kind of scanner. So I want a picture of this drawn as well on the second drawing, with the middle part here almost like a slit with a window in there where that camera would be in, and with the glass covering on that window. So you would show a red dot in here to indicate that there would be a camera in, almost like a camera lens, or that red light, that just to indicate the presence of a camera in that area. So anyways, my idea is to somehow align this with the teeth with some sort of a mountable hardware, and where this gets then clipped onto the hardware, and it slides into place, and it scans the tooth over, and it'll kind of go around like the current technology we already have. Before it's even prepped, we call it prepped, when it's the intact phase. Then the CAD cam machine, we plan how we want to have it cut in the machine, and then we just let it sit here, and the drill does the cutting for us. And because it's already mounted on this little rail system, it's fixed in place. So when it scans and when it cuts, it's the exact same planes. An idea I have for the rail system is, these are called clamps. We use these for different purposes, but one of the main intention is, and you don't need to look at how I'm doing this, but once I put it on, how that's going to look, because that's how I want the drawings to reflect. And we put these on our teeth, and they kind of get on your teeth, and they grab the teeth from the side. And so this is one of the ways that I was thinking that I can come up with the rail system, is have the rail system be clamp mounted, and like this, for example, or we can always turn the clamps around. And again, there will be additional hardware, but if this is the part that will need some creative visualizing, is right now these are two clamps, but across the clamps there'll be rails, which this would have rails here, and then this would have some sort of an engager, the drill, that you can kind of slide and engage into the rails. And then, again, the whole system is based on it being able to be fixed onto the dentition, the teeth. So when it scans and when it prepares the teeth, it's in the same plane, because that's very important, as you can imagine. Otherwise, it'll cut the teeth all over the place. But that's my that's my idea, and let's see if you have any questions. So let's start with this preliminary video, and we'll talk. Thank you.